Lots of plants are here. बहुत सारे plants here. Over there. This is a bamboo tree, and it's a small tree which is very very beautiful. Oh my gosh! I have came many times here, and they are and this is the people where they do race. It's very beautiful. I cannot explain in a word.
Pani.
And now I am going to show you. Look. Look. They are making a snake. I think they are making a snake with the help of. Oh my God! They are making a snake with the help of trees. These are the beautiful plants, and there we go. I have came many times here, and there I go. My father. And there is written there silence please, because this is a meditation room, so only some people are allowed to go here. I will show you a room. It's very beautiful from inside. I think camera is not allowed here. There is written meditation. And they are making a pigeon also. Varieties of plants, there are varieties of flowers. We'll go inside. Look, oh my God, it's the best destination to visit. They're making a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Many more things are available. You should come here. There is a statue of a Lord Shiva also. I will show you. I'm working. No. Here, 1 second. Sorry. They are clicking the pictures, so there are many portions. Lots of butterflies are flying over there, and lots of plants. I don't know what is the name of the plants, but it's very beautiful. Look, this is a pushpa plant. I will show you a statue of a girl. Oh my God. I will show you the statue of a god, Lakshmi. Here you go. I will show you from here. And here people will spend the money at the statue. There is a series of snakes and much more. I will go to the Kailash Parvat. Progress. Okay, here written progress means in 3. I bet this one is gonna be awesome. Guys, you will enjoy much more with me. If you are at home also, I will show you. Here is a community and I will show you the statue. Wearing a tikatu, small kids and hi. She's taking a hand to me. So here is a plant of people. Statue properly. This is the statue of the Lord God, which is also known as Shankar. Excuse me. Yes, this is the statue. I'm sorry, I cannot show you the This is a statue of a god. Goddess. Small god is also there. I will show you.